I am a big fan of Sawyer Permethrin bug repellent as an application for clothing gear and things like tents and camp chairs, the cushions on your boat and that kind of thing. This is a synthetic version of the chrysanthemum flower extract, so it's essentially a natural bug repellent. It doesn't use any chemicals that are plasticizers, so you don't have any fear of spraying it on nylon or rubber. This can go on any kind of, it's going to work better on like a cotton and something that can absorb it, but it'll work on nylon and tents and backpacks. They say it'll last for 40 days or 6 washings on fabric, and it'll last a good long time on your other equipment. And it's constant. You know, it's odorless to humans and pets, but the bugs are not attracted to it, and it's persistent on no batteries or anything like that. So it's a great application. You get whatever size container you're going to get. It comes with a spray nozzle. Shake it up and you spray it on your gear. They say about 3 ounces will work for months. Hope this helps.